left 6 and right 5 long over crest, continues past junction. Left 3 through gate, water splash. Left 4. Continues over jump. Past junction, left 6 over bump, 100 past lay-by, crest left 4, into right 6 stay mid over crest, into right 6 130, right 6, into turn left 3, tightens to 2 past junction. Care right 6 over jump 60, right 6 over, into care left 6 crest bump. Crest, right 6, left 6, right 6 over crest, 110 through dip. Caution right 4 long, don't cut, tight. Into caution, turn right 3 tight, immediate turn square left. And right 6, into left 6, into right 3 long, into turn left 3 half long crest, jump maybe. Care left 6 over crest, 80 down, turn square right. Into left 2 keep in, into right 3, into left 2 long, opens 100, care logs, right 5, 80 through dip, over crest, 60 keep left over crest.